The Silky BigBoy 2000 saw is the ultimate outdoor adventurer's tool. With its 14.2-inch blade and rubber-cushioned double-fist handle, you'll have all the cutting power you need at your fingertips. The BigBoy is equipped with a perfectly balanced, uniquely shaped, nickel-plated blade. The low-angle curve on the blade enables cutting branches smoothly and quickly as the extra-large cutting teeth naturally dive into the wood fibers on the pull stroke. Like all Silky saws, the BigBoy features impulse-hardened and tapered ground teeth for easier and faster cutting performance and improved durability. The long rubberized handle is comfortable to hold with one or both hands, reduces vibration, and offers superior grip when your hands are wet, cold, or wearing gloves. The BigBoy 2000 is ideal for trail building, car camping, snowmobiling, and other motorized outdoor adventures in the woods.
The Duplex is a sweet spot when it comes to size, weight, and features. Checking in at only 21 ounces, the Duplex tent is one of the lightest two-person tents on the market. The tent is constructed from Dyneema composite fabric, previously known as Cuban fiber, and comes in 4 different versions: olive drab, blue, spruce green, and camo. The tent measures 48 inches tall at the peaks, giving you plenty of headroom when sitting up inside the tent. The Duplex has rainbow zipper doors on both sides of the tent, allowing for easy entry and quick access to both vestibule spaces. The 2-door setup makes it easy to get in and out of the tent without disturbing your partner. This tent has a fully enclosed insect screen. The holes in the screen are super tiny, preventing even the smallest of insects from getting into the tent. The 4 storm doors can be opened or closed independently. Leave all 4 open on a nice night for a breeze and great views, or close the upwind doors to block cold wind. For 360-degree protection from the rain, close all 4 doors. The doors are closed with custom-made metal hooks. We have also added a storm door closure that can be utilized on windy nights to help prevent the doors from flapping in the wind. The tarp overhangs the bathtub floor by 4 to 5 inches. In calm rain or under wet trees, 1 or 2 doors can be left open for airflow, without water dripping on the floor space. In almost all conditions, at least 1 downwind door can be left open for air. For even better rain protection with the door open, use the included clips to pull the screen door back away from the rain spray. This tent has a solid sewn-in 8-inch tall bathtub floor, measuring 45 inches wide by 7.5 feet long, providing plenty of space for 2 average people to stretch out, plus space for gear at the ends of the floor. It's also the perfect size for 1 person, providing you with plenty of room to spread out and the ability to bring your gear into your tent on a stormy night. The bathtub floor is also made from Dyneema composite fabric. This material weight is twice as thick as the canopy material and is more resistant to abrasion and punctures. A separate ground sheet is not required with our tents. A mesh pocket can be found at both ends of the tent and can be used to store small items like your headlamp, glasses, or phone. There is a screen between the bathtub floor and the walls at the ends of the tarp. An elastic cord keeps the bathtub elevated, ensuring the screen slopes downwards away from the bathtub. Any condensation will run down the walls and out through the downward sloping screen, rather than onto the floor. The tent utilizes trekking poles to pitch the tent and comes with Line Lock 3 adjusters sewn to all tie-outs. Bright yellow Dyneema Z-line cord is cut for you and installed to the tent before it ships. The yellow lines are very easy to see, day or night, and Dyneema has very low stretch. 8 stakes are required in order to pitch the tent. The Duplex packs down super small, taking up very little space in your pack. A DCF stuff sack is also included with the tent.
This is the Schrade SCH F52M Frontier Fixed Blade Bushcraft Survival Knife, one of 2 blades in the SCH F52 series. Designed to suffer the harsh realities of backcountry bushcraft and survival without missing a step, the SCH F52M Frontier sports a thick, full tang, 7-inch, razor-sharp, 1095 high-carbon steel blade. To serve you well when you need it most, the drop point and large 7-inch full fine edge handle a wide range of precision tasks, like drilling, slicing, notching, and feathering, while having the guts to chop, beaver chew, and baton like a boss. The blade is protected from abuse and the elements by a tough, friction-reducing PTFE coating. Rugged, ergonomic micarta handle slabs are patterned to channel moisture, while front and rear guards ensure firm hand placement in any weather condition. Open nuts, scrape bark, and process plant material with the sturdy pommel. Wrap paracord through the lanyard hole and around your wrist for additional control. Carry the SCH F52M Frontier on any belt using the heavy-duty black woven fabric sheath with polymer insert. Release the knife with a flick, unlocking the steel snap. And to make things a little easier in the backcountry, a diamond sharpening stone and fire steel rod with striker are included in the front pouch of the sheath. Versatile, tough, and tenacious, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH F52M Frontier fixed blade survival knife.
The Firebox is a true folding stove with hinged panels rather than separate parts that require assembly. This specially designed hole pattern serves several functions. It isolates this hottest portion of the stove, preventing expanding material from causing warpage. The inside row of holes provides position points for both the Trangia spirit burner and the Trangia gas burner attachment. This new top position for the Trangia creates the perfect 1-inch headspace between the jets and the bottom of your pot. The lower row of holes provides primary combustion air. The top row of holes provides secondary combustion air. But that totally illustrates that secondary combustion air. The diamond-shaped holes provide position points for sterno fuel and for alternative spirit burners. This outside row of holes provides position points for the optional adjustable fire grate. It's awesome for using wood pellets or for charcoal when using one of the optional grill plates. We've added these new position points, allowing the ash pan to be inverted to create an adjustable air damper. We've also added side feed fuel delivery ports. The upwards angle creates flame velocity, and crossing the sticks creates turbulence. We've updated the hole pattern in the fire grate, adding the expansion chamber and making the holes much larger, with one right in the center to provide combustion air to Swedish fire torch pre-fueling setups. The boil plate boxes in the heat around either a 40-ounce stainless steel water bottle or a Space Saver cup.
Be prepared with the emergency fire starter from Zippo Outdoor. It comes in a lightweight, waterproof case. In fact, it floats. Just fray a tinder stick, spark it with the flint wheel, and light your fire. The Zippo Emergency Fire Starter features a waterproof case with a flip-top lid. It holds 4 water-resistant replaceable wax tinder sticks. The genuine Zippo flint wheel is unidirectional. It only sparks in one direction so that it throws an increased amount of spark reliably time after time. The flint wheel can be turned for right or left-handed use. The Emergency Fire Starter, for warmth, for signaling, for peace of mind.